A leaf is green. Inside a leaf is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll makes the leaf green. The sun shines on the leaf. The sunlight turns the gas and water in the leaf into food for the plant. The food is called glucose. Glucose is sugar. The sugar feeds the plant. Photosynthesis is how a plant makes its food. Chlorophyll makes the leaf green. Glucose is sugar. The sugar feeds the plant. Photosynthesis is how a plant makes its food.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Glucose. Glucose.
Glucose.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Surely, we recorded that plants use leaves that get sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air to make food. Also, leaves take water from the roots. We also recorded plants uses light, water, and carbon dioxide to make food and oxygen. Now, we need to get back to the plant model we had and record the evidence we got from the video. Let's show what we have learned from the video on the plant model. We said that leaves collect two things. What are they? Exactly, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Okay, what about the roots? The roots absorb water and minerals, then the leaves use all of these elements to produce sugar, which is for the food, for the plants, and the oxygen we breathe. And what do we call this process? Excellent, photosynthesis. بالضبط هو البناء الضوئي. Now we can review and underline all information we recorded through the text in your book. It's time now for predictions. What if we have two plants, one in the light and the other in the dark? What will happen? يا ترى لو في نباتين واحد معرض للضوء والنبات التاني في الضلمة، يا ترى إيه توقعاتكم؟ And let's take also the predictions of our friends here. Malak, what do you predict?
The plant in the light will grow and survive.
Okay, so the plant in the sunlight will grow and survive. And what about you, Ryan? What do you predict?
Without light, plants can't make food and die.
Oh, so without the light, the plants can die. دلوقتي وقت تسجيل التوقعات. I want you to take your time to think and record your predictions in your book. Let's start our investigation to make sure if our predictions are right or wrong. Let's go to our friends and start our investigation. Our materials we are going to use here, the soil and a cup and our seeds. And of course, we need to water it. In this experiment, we will use the sunlight. So here, our plant will have the sunlight. I will let Malak help me. Can you please take the seeds? Can you put it in the cup, please? We need to add some water. In this experiment, our seeds will be in the sunlight. Let's go to our friend Ryan and see what will happen to the seeds if it's in the dark. Ryan, can you help me, please? Can you put the seeds in the soil? Thank you. Here, we used the soil in the cup, the seeds, and the water. But with Ryan, we will not put our plants in the sunlight. The most important thing we need to do is to mark our cups. So here I will mark it with A. And we will mark Malak's as well with the letter A. Over the upcoming days, we will use the table in your book to record the data. Add observation on the growth of the two plants. Each day, you will check the plants, and you use this table in your book to record the date and the length of the two plant groups. Our colleagues started the investigation 10 days ago. They wrote down all the observations about the difference between the two plants. Here in the table, as you can see, they are ready now to share the results about their observation, about the length of the leaf and the color and the number of leaves and how strong they are. دلوقتي زملائنا هيشاركونا ملاحظاتهم على النباتين. Can you, Malak, tell me what did you observe about your plant?
This plant is large and green.
So her plant was large and green throughout the 10 days. And what about you, Ryan? What do you think about your plant?
This plant in the dark is very weak and didn't grow and yellow.
So he observed for the last 10 days that it became very weak and faded. I can see that you also recorded the length of plant A, which reached 6 centimeters, and the plant B, which was in the dark, it only reached 2 centimeters. This confirms that the light is a basic need.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.